morning, students. So today we will see some patterns in squares. Okay. Finding the squares of the number, there are some patterns. Okay. Here is one pattern is given, that is the numbers ending with digit 5. So the numbers ending with digit 5, just like 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 105, any digit number. Okay, you have taken you have find the square using this pattern. Okay, see, after this example we have generalized the formula for finding the square of the number ending with digit 5. Okay, first you have to see in the previous exercise, that is 6.1, we have observed the pattern and find the missing digit. In same we have to observe the pattern, how it is organized. Okay, so see, 5 square, first number is 5. Okay, first number is 5. 5 is written as 0 is multiplied with 1 hundreds plus 25. Yes or no? See, square of 5 is how much? Simply we have already know 25 or not, but this is not 3 digit, this is 2 digit, so there is no 100. 2 digit means there is no 100, 0, 100. Okay, so in this for our generalization we have take that 0 is multiplied with 1 hundreds plus 25. Okay, in all the number you have to add 25. It is very important. In all the numbers ending with 5, you have to add 25 after finding this. Okay, so this is the number of hundreds in the given number. In 5, how many numbers are 100? There is no 100. Okay, so this is a 1 digit number. Okay, so 1 digit number and the square is 25, so there is no 100. So it is can be written as 0 is multiplied with 1 into hundreds plus 25. Clear? Then consider 15. 15 square. So it is just after 5. Okay, so after 0 and 1 we have to consider what number? That is 1 and 2, the next consecutive. Here 0 is multiplied with 1 and here 1 is multiplied with 2. That is 1 into 200 plus 25 is added in all the patterns. Clear? Then so that becomes 1 into 200, that is 200. 200 means this plus 25. How much? That is 225, which is the square of 15. We have already multiplied 15 multiplied with 15, we have get this 225. Okay, similar case, in case of 25, this is the third number ending with 5, 2 digit number, so 2 is multiplied with 300 plus 25. Okay, similarly 3 is multiplied with 4 for 35, then for 45 4 is multiplied with 5. In this way we have multiplied the numbers with hundreds and 25 at the time to get the final answer. Okay, so this is the pattern. So we have to generalize this pattern. Okay, so let's generalize it. To finding the formula, one formula is applied to finding the number of squares with the numbers ending with the digit 5. Okay, it may be 5 or 105 or 1005 or any number, any digit number. Okay, so we have to generalize the number that is ending with 5. So any number ending with digit 5 are in the form of this. Okay, it may be 5 or 15 or 25. See, here is the ending digit is 5. 5 means what? 0, 5. Yes or no? The number less than 10, that is the 1 digit number, it is in the form, we can add 0 on the left side, so there is no value change. Okay, so 5 is equal to 0, 5. So here the value of a is 0. For 1 digit number, the value of a is 0, and for 2 digit number, it is 1, 2, 6, 9, 8, 7, any digit. Okay, So it is in the form this, that is a two-digit number. So two-digit number can be expressed in the form of this. Yes or no? Any two-digit number is written in this form. We have already in the linear equation classes we have already studied that how a two-digit number can be expressed. This is the unit place. So this is just 5. That is 5 is multiplied with 1. And for 10th place, we have to multiply 10 with the digit of 10th place. Okay. So this is the form. So A5 is written as 10A plus 5. So we have to find the square of A5. That is 10A plus 5 square. That is 10A is multiplied with 10A plus 5 is multiplied with 10A plus 5. Clear? Note down. So this is the A5 form means you have to understand. A5 form means this is a two-digit number. It is maybe one digit when A equal to 0. When A equal to 0, that is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5. Okay, so only one number is there, that is 0, 5. Okay, for the 5, the number 5, one-digit number, the value of A becomes 0. Okay, then we find the value of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, so this is the form of two-digit number. So this can be multiplied in the previously, that is without multiplication. You have to find the without multiplication method, without direct multiplication method. That is 10A plus 5 square. So that is 10A is multiplied with 10A plus 5 once, and then plus 5 is multiplied with 10A plus 5 once in this way. Okay. So 10A is multiplied with 10A plus 5. That is 10A into 10A. How much that is? A is A square, 10 10 is 100. So this is 100A square. I have written this. See, 100A square. 10 10 is 100. A is A square. A is A square, 10 10 is 100. So we have get the term that is 100A square. Then 10A is multiplied with 5 to give 50A. 10 5 is 50. A is here. Similarly, 5 is multiplied with 10A. That is 50A. And 5 5 is 25. So, note it down. So we have 100A square plus 50A plus 50A plus 25. That becomes 100A square plus 50A plus 50A. That is 100A. Because 50A plus 50A. That is A is taken common, 50 50 is 100. Sorry, 50 50 we add, that you get 100. So 100A. So 100A square plus 100A plus 25. We have get this. This result is the final result. Okay. We have also simplified this. Okay. We have also simplified this. See. Complete, note it down. Okay. So I left the last term and other are erased. So this is the term. Okay. So that is 100A square plus 100A plus 25. This is the term. Okay. I erased. So from these two terms, I have taken common 100A. Clear? 100A square, 100A. That is 100A when multiplied with 100A. Sorry, 100A when multiplied with A, it gives 100A square. So in 100A square, there is a term that is 100A. So I have taken common 100A. Okay? Where it is remaining, that is A, because 100A is multiplied with 100A. A to give 100A square. This. Okay. So when I have taken 100A, What is the term remaining? That is A. So A is here. 100 A already taken common. So what is the number? That is 1. Just 1. That is plus 25. Clear? Note it down. Clear? Then A is multiplied with A plus 1 multiplied with 100 plus 25. It is also written. Okay, there is no wrong. Okay, A is multiplied. This term I have taken to the left and 100 is multiplied then. So when I written in the statement, that is in place of 100 I have take 100. I have write 100 plus 25. So this is your general form for finding the square of the number ending with 0. A is multiplied with A plus 1 is multiplied with 100 ending with 25. Where the form is this A5 form. This is the form. If the form is this. Okay. If you take any number ending with 5, we have seen that the form is this form. In place of A1, instead of 1, there is also 10 to form 105. There is also 225. In place of A, the number is 22. Okay. A is a 1 digit or 2 digit, 3 digit. That is maybe any digit number. Okay. But ending number is 5. Okay. So this is the general formula or general pattern to finding the squares of the number ending with digit 5. Okay. So let us consider an example. Okay. So consider a number that is 45. This is the number ending with digit 5. So we have to find the square of 45. So for 45, what is the value of A? The left hand side is the value of A. So A is 4. Yes or no? Then according to the formula, we have to find the A plus 1. We have to find the A and A plus 1. Then we have to multiply and calculate to find the final answer. Okay. So here A equal to 4. So A plus 1 becomes 5. 4 is added with 1 to give 5. So according to the formula, 4 is multiplied with 4 plus 1. That is 4 is multiplied with 5 and multiplied with 100. Yes or no? That is 100 plus 25 because 25 is added in the last. So that is 4 5s are 20. 100 means 100 is multiplied. So 20 is multiplied with 100 plus 25. 20 is multiplied with 100. It is very simple. That is 2000 plus 25. So it gives 200 and 2025. So this is the square of the number 25. Okay. So in this way, you can find the squares of the number ending with digit 5. Okay. In the next class, we will see some other patterns in finding the squares of the numbers. Thank you.